Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue. So today we are going to learn about how to use the Vue Router into your Vue application. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to create a new Vue app with the help of the Vue create my app. So here I am going to write router app. Okay. So let's go to the terminal and check to create this one. Copy, go to the terminal. Let me go to my folders. Here we have the where is Vue folder. We have Vue.js. Let's open in the terminal. Let's paste this. Let's create the app. So we use Vue 3. So after the installation of this app, we have to install the Vue add router. It's almost done. CD router app. Paste this Vue add router. So it asking for the which use history mode for the router. So I would suggest that make it yes. Now I will add npm run serve. So let's open the link and you can see that home about. So currently this is the, you can say, the routing. So let's make it our route. How we are going to do that, let's see. So let's open the code base. So when I have installed the add router, you can see that the by default the router file is there and the view file is there where we have a about and the home view. Okay, and the router we have, you can see that we have a home, we have a about. Okay, and here we have a create web history, right, and a export default router. Then we have the next one that is called the app view. Here you can see that we have the router link with the home and the about. So let's change this one and add our routing over here. Okay, so I have already have the code base. Let me where it is, router app. Currently it's which one, it's router app. So my route app. So open with this application. So here we go with the routing. We can just create a new one. Okay, so here we go with this one. So first of all, we will go with the profile section. We will add the new one that is called profile view. So let me rename this. So here we go with this one. So we will add a new view that is one profile view. Here we can add our HTML template. You can see. Let's add it. Okay, and then we have the profile is done. Let's try to import this one. Okay, so where we have the app view, so we will add the router link over here, that is profile. Okay, so you can add here profile, right, and make it profile over here. Okay, and this is done. Let's go to the router. So here we have to add that one also. So currently it's home about. So you can just copy this one or this one is easier. So let's add a separator and just, and the path should be like you can see profile. which we have added, and here we have to add the component name. So let's import. We have profile from, we will add views, then we have a profile. Okay, so this divides showing error, profile is declared but never used. Yes, we have to just copy this one in the component section. Okay, save this, and you can see this is something error is going on, so we have to go with the view config, and here we have to add one line. Save in it. Let me check which one we have. So currently I have added this one here, so it's linked on save. Okay, so let me add this one because it's showing the red error. So make it false and save this, try to run again. Okay, so let's see. Here we have a new section that is called profile. So if I click on the profile, there is no data entry. Let me check. I think it should be there. File.view. Actually the path is wrong, so it's currently here. The path should be profile. Okay, and there should be a name only. Okay, profile. Let's rerun this one. Now you can see that profile, about, there's this in about page. If I go and check this one, you can see there's about page. Okay, and this is basically the home page of that one. Okay, so this is how we are able to use the Vue router into your Vue application. Very easy, very simple, nothing much more on that. Okay, so definitely you can just, all of that, this is binding over here, the route. You can create a different nav bar and you can call it in a header and use it anywhere. Okay, so this is how we can use the Vue router into your Vue app. Any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.